Do you love baked potatoes but hate waiting an hour for them to bake in the oven? Well, now we have a solution for that. It's called the Veggie Box. The Veggie Box was invented to create a quick and easy way to perfectly steam potatoes, vegetables, and even fruits in just minutes, right at home in your microwave. It's perfect for the health-conscious person that lives in an active lifestyle. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. First, you take your washed potato and place the potato inside the lid. Put the lid back on top. Put it in your microwave. Set the time for 5 minutes. Looks like it's done, so we're going to pull it out. Be careful because the box is hot, very hot. And all you do is take the lid off, and you have a freshly steamed, perfectly done potato. Order your Veggie Box today and start enjoying fast, fresh, delicious steamed vegetables.